In this video, we will show you how to subscribe Amazon Prime. To subscribe Amazon Prime, first you need to open amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Okay, this is the URL. Then you can hit enter. After that, you can just click join Primes, or you can also using trial, okay, for 30-day trial. Okay, just click this and you can using monthly or another. In here, if you have the Amazon account, you can just type your email or phone number here. But because in here we want to create the account, just click create your Amazon account. And this is first and last name. For example, Dev Jens. For email, for example, type your email address. And this is for your password. Okay, type your password. And click create your Amazon account. Now, enter security code from your email address. Just open your email address. Then click create your Amazon account. And in here, you can select a payment method. Okay, there is Visa, MasterCard, or another credit cards here, or using gift card, voucher, and promotional codes. In here, you can try to using add a credit or debit card. We will try using Visa, for example. After you fill all information about your card, just click add your card and click no thanks. In here, you need to select your address and another detail. After you fill all information, just click use this address. Now, after you give your address and your card, just click continue. And for the last, click start your free trial of Prime. Now, you are done to join Amazon Prime or subscribe Amazon Prime. You can try to explore your benefit. Okay, you can see this is your benefit and today's deal, and you can select Prime Video, for example, and you can watching any film or any video that you want to watch here. For example, you can select this to play the video, and episode 1, just click this. Now you are done to join or subscribe for Amazon Primes. And in the next video, we will show you how to end subscription or cancel subscription on Amazon Primes. Okay, that's all. How you can subscribe Amazon Primes. Hope this video helpfully for you, and thanks for watching.